All right, so finally I actually got my Saddlemen seat. Let me pull out the 2002 Springer. Man, I love this bike. I'm gonna be riding it more because I just got the seat, so I can't wait. We're gonna put it on right now. The seat came in yesterday, so we're gonna put it on right now together. But if you guys are new to this channel, this is a 2002 Springer that I just picked up. And what did I do to it so far? So I got the Custom Dynamics front headlight, Custom Dynamics turn signals, rear turn signals with running lights, and Custom Dynamics tail light. So as you guys can see, I got the stock seat. If anybody is interested, if anybody has a Softail Springer, whatever, or just a standard Softail and is interested in this seat, I will hold on to it for a couple days. If you guys are interested, just hit me up in an email. This seat is literally like brand new condition, literally like perfect. But today we're going to be putting on our seat. So other than the lights, we did the Arlen Ness high flow air intake. We did the Big Shot staggered Vance & Hines pipes, which sound amazing. We did a tune. The tuner was a Power Vision. It was dynoed at Torque Custom Cycles. Mike did the dyno tuning. We were able to pick up about 7-8 horsepower. It's got about 73 horsepower right now. What else did we do? I don't think there wasn't too much. But yeah, we're gonna get like a chrome lower belt guard and stuff. But let me show you guys the seat. Check out this beautiful flannel by Beyond Riders. So I'm rocking the blue one today to match the blue Impact Pearl paint on the 2002 Springer. These flannels, fantastic, even if you're not riding, working around the house, whatever, going out, going somewhere. They're Kevlar lined, which are very safe. If you, God forbid, take a spill on your bike, they are Kevlar lined to obviously give you the utmost protection while you're riding. They come in a whole bunch of different colors. If you use my code, it's down below in the video description. You get yourself a discount off of any, not only the flannels, off of any Beyond Riders gear. So definitely check them out. But let me show you guys the seat here. This is a Saddlemen from our good friends over at Saddlemen. Look at this seat, guys. Look at this seat. So I want your guys' opinion because this seat is obviously two pieces. So I could rock it. And you could put a backrest in here, which is crazy. I just realized that there's a slot for a backrest. I do not have the backrest, but it comes in two pieces. This is the Dominator seat. I'll also put a link down below in the video description if you guys want to check the seat out. But it comes in two pieces, really cool. I could rock it as a solo seat. And this is the back pillion portion of the seat, which actually goes on just like that. Or I could rock it like this, or I could take this piece off and rock it as a solo seat. So first things first, I just took off the stock seat. Let's put this seat on. If you guys could see, it's almost like a carbon fiber weave with blue stitching. Looks great, I love it. And then the blue Saddlemen logo right there. So let me put this seat on, and I want your guys' opinion, which way it looks better. But I will tell you, if I am traveling, I will definitely have the back pillion portion on, because what I want to do is I want to put a chrome sissy bar. So this way I could mount the bag on the sissy bar, and it could be sitting, the bag could be sitting on the pillion portion of the seat. Because obviously I don't want nothing touching the rear fender. If you guys remember, there was like a big sticker on the whole fender. It was like almost like a vinyl wrap sticker. It was like this much. It was there for, I don't know if it was stock or somebody put it on, but it was there to protect the fender from the seat. But I had to take it off because it was actually showing, and that was a real pain in the neck. I used the heat gun. I slowly took it off with almost like a 3M squeegee type plastic material, and I took all of it off. And then literally probably for about an hour, I tried WD-40. That didn't do too good. Most of the times it does, but I tried the WD-40, didn't work too good. I tried Goof Off or Goo Gone, I forgot what it was. That didn't work too good. You know what worked really good was Brake Clean. Brake Clean took it right off, but it was still about an hour's worth of rubbing and a lot of elbow grease, and but it did take it off. So now what we're gonna do is, there's two bolts. This is like a really super easy installation. There's two bolts, one on either side over here. that we're gonna need to put in. And then there's one on the other side, and then that seat, that'll be done. That'll be mounted. Okay, so now that seat's mounted. So like, look how nice it looks. Like if you were to use this just as a solo seat, you actually have to take the seat back off and see this bar, because the pillion seat actually slides into this little notch here, and that's what holds it. So this would have to obviously come off. But let me know what you guys think. How does it look? I love how it looks with just a solo seat. I think it looks really, really cool. And now let me show you guys how it looks with the pillion portion on. It looks really sporty like this. I would just have to get something over here, kind of almost like a nut or whatever, to kind of screw it in there to kind of hide that. And then we have this piece. There we go. And now that's on. So what do you think about that? I like how it looks either way. I'm actually gonna keep it on for now because I do wanna get the backrest. We're gonna be taking some shorter trips here in the next probably couple days, couple weeks. We still have, October is always pretty decent as far as weather, riding. I love it. October, November is probably my favorite time to ride here in the Northeast, because you have like 60s, definitely 50s in the morning, some mid 40s, upper 40s. Those are my favorite temperatures to ride in. You know, it's not too cold, and it's not, you know, if it's like 85, 90, 95, it gets too hot. It's, you know, you're sweating on the bike, it gets uncomfortable. I love these next couple months as far as riding goes, but I'm gonna leave it like this. Let me know what you guys think. But I think it looks really good. The bike looks really sporty, especially from different angles. So let me take the camera off and just show you guys up close. So check this out, guys. Look how cool and sleek it looks. But this angle, like from right here, look at where you could see like the whole fender. It looks so cool. Looks really nice with the solo seat. You can see the blue stitching. You can see like the carbon. It's almost like a carbon weave. And this angle looks really nice. It looks really good. It does look really good with the solo seat. Just something sporty about it. It looks really good. Let me put on the pillion portion of the seat and show you guys, do a walk around. All right, so that's how it looks with the pillion seat on. I think it looks good as well. Obviously, it doesn't look as sporty, but I still like how it looks. And it gives me the option, because otherwise, if it was all one-piece seat, then I would not obviously have the option to just rock a solo seat. Man, his bike is just so clean, and I didn't even wash the bike yet. I still have to give it a good washing. Great condition that I picked this bike up in, like even the chrome on the front end, on the Springer front end, the paint. It's called Impact Blue Pearl, which is pretty cool, but it has a lot of metallic in it. Love the pipes on it. So anyway, yeah, let me know what you guys think about the seat. I love it. I think it looks great. With the blue stitching, I love that I have the option to rock the solo seat if I want it. If I go on a trip, I'll have that on. And like I said before, I'll have the sissy bar, which will come up right there. And then the bag will go over the sissy bar, and the bag at least will be sitting on the pillion seat instead of on the fender. Even the decal I love on this model. Look at that. I love that decal. Painted over as well. It's beautiful. Love the decal and love the blue. All right, guys, so in the next video about the bike, we're actually going to be talking about a really big thing that has to be done to this motor. And then as we're inside the motor, what is going to be done to the motor. So Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about the bike. And until the next one, peace out.